Boston Ripping Rollers, a Thursday morning, rainy Thursday morning. Going to check on the birds. I haven't made a video in a while, but go check them out. I'll show you my kit birds first. These are the ones I've been flying. Yeah, these are my kit birds. They're a little on the hungry side because I skipped feed them yesterday. I want to get them hungry so it'll be easier to come in. When I call them in, they'll come in quick instead of the hawks eating them on my roof, you know. Here's the other kit. These ain't broken in yet. These are a little hungry too. These are the younger ones. Some of these birds are still squeaking. This should be a real good kit. These should roll nice, these ones here. Going to a big bird coop. Got some nice stuff here. Got some Duluths. Got some yellows. I'm throwing my hens back over here so I can start breathing. I got some on my kit birds again. The other side of the kit birds. It's where I put my cocks. Just waiting for these young ones to get off the floor and start eating and stuff. I got young ones in here waiting for them to grow up so I can split these birds up. Feed them. Three babies in the corner. Baby on the floor there. Looking for food. Got a baby here. Two babies. One doesn't look like it's gonna make it. Smaller one. Two yellows. Black and whites there. Oh, got 3 eggs there. I hope 2 of them hatch. Got babies here. Got a baby in there. Little lace youngster right there. There's another one. I think it's gonna be a white bar. My little white. Well, that's it for the birds today. Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great day.